Hi, this is Joe Hamden, Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt, #1 Chevy dealership in the state of Illinois. I got our previous customers and a good customer of ours, Lori, got a beautiful 2015 Chevy Impala.
2016.
2016. I want to see if you're listening. There you
I'm listening.
go. Good, good. How was the experience with Joe and Phillips Chevrolet?
It was awesome. It was excellent.
Would you recommend Joe and Phillips Chevrolet to your friends and family?
Yes, I would. I bought 5 cars from here, so.
You heard the lady.
My 2 sons just came in and bought each a car of their own.
That's great. That's great. Well, I appreciate
Yes, I would definitely recommend.
Thank you so much, Laura. It's been a pleasure. Thank you
It's been a
again.
pleasure, too.
Come on and see Joe Phillips Chevrolet.